of dashboarding. So in the upcoming minutes, we are going to make a dashboard within 2 to 3 minutes. Let's get started. So this is the dashboard, and the website that you are going to look is at catalyst.com. Oh, cadlist.com. Okay. So let's get started. Now I'm going to import just a single file, which is named as student, and let's see what it does. So it has made all the names here in the slicers, and let's make a bar chart. It will be like if you used to apply the chart here itself, then it will be a blank one, but you will have to go to datas and then select what type of column you want in the in your dashboard. Okay, so let's say like maths marks. Okay, so apply. There you go, you can see the marks here itself. Okay, now I can resize this visual too. Okay, now let's add another visual of line chart over this, and let's see what is the actual result. Now we will take the science marks instead to see whether there is a difference in the bar chart and the line chart. Okay, so science marks, let's apply this. Okay, so you can see that we can resize it, and also diagonally we can resize it. Okay, so I will again another chart of maps. You can add the x and y coordinates, and according to it you can just pinpoint the location, geolocation that you want. Okay, now currently I don't used to have the data in my excel, so I will just put down a single map here and not much more. But yes, you can drop down, or you can see which city you want over. Okay, now let's add another visual to this, and let's say it's student name in x and science marks in y-axis. Let's add the maths marks instead. So let's redo this and see what happens. If you are going to change, it is not going to apply. So let's say like it has made. Let's delete this one and see the results. Okay, so if the data set is less, then you can simply hover over and see what are the marks here and move forward. Okay, now let's add a 3D model in this. So we have selected the 3D model, and here you don't need to add x and y axis, but you can add an obj file. This used to support only obj files right now, but as and when we will improve, we are going to improve it to stp files and much more. Okay, so let's select this one, which is the model.obj file, and let's apply and see the results. Okay, so there you go, you can see, you can just over down and zoom in and zoom out. Okay, now you can see that this is moving here and there, the whole visual is moving here and there. To lock this one, we will just put down this lock, but after putting the lock one, the enabling the lock button, you will not be able to resize this. Okay, so this is one of the dashboard that we have created right now, and let's add one more and change the theme beside. Okay, so let's add one more visual of KPIs and select the student and the maths marks. Okay, so let's add it and see. There you go, you can see the KPI, and we can also place this here and there, but once it is locked you cannot. Okay, so as you can see that I have clicked over the lock button, but it is not responding. So there are some few constraints which can hamper down, and that's why this feature has been enabled. Okay, so yeah, this was the dashboard making with catalytics. Okay, so let's change one more thing and see the difference here. Apply, and this is your dashboard. Okay, you can just zoom out and tell the people regarding the data set that you have created and the visuals that you are going to tell to the people. Okay, so this is a whole bunch of 3D model as well as its analytics. Okay, so thank you for having a watch over this video. I hope you like it. Thank you.